Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, man, I wish I had more zeros? It seems like such a simple solution to poverty. If the government owns the money printers, why don't they just print $1 billion for everyone? We could end world hunger, pay off national debt, and everyone could drive a Ferrari, right? Well, unfortunately, no. If we did that, your brand new Ferrari would cost about $50 trillion. To understand why, we have to look at what money actually is. Money has no value in itself. You can't eat a $100 bill and you can't live inside a credit card. Money is just a tool we use to measure the value of goods and services. Think of the economy like a giant pizza shop. The goods, the houses, the cars, the food, are the pizza. The money is just the number of slices we cut the pizza into. If you have one pizza and you cut it into 4 slices, you have a nice dinner. But if you take that same single pizza and cut it into 1,000,000 slices, you don't have more food, you just have 1,000,000 tiny useless crumbs. Printing more money doesn't create more houses or more cars, it just cuts the existing economy into smaller and smaller pieces. This is called inflation. We don't have to guess what happens when governments try this cheat code. History is full of disasters. Look at Germany in 1923. The government printed money to pay for World War I. It got so bad that children used bundles of cash as building blocks because the paper money was cheaper than buying actual wooden blocks. People had to carry wheelbarrows full of cash just to buy a loaf of bread. Or look at Zimbabwe in 2008, where they printed a $100 trillion bill. Yes, that's a real number, but that bill couldn't even buy a bus ticket. In these scenarios, money becomes trash. So the harsh truth is this: wealth is not the number of dollars in circulation. Wealth is the amount of stuff we produce. If we want to be richer, we don't need faster printers. We need more factories, more farms, and better technology. Printing money is like trying to make yourself taller by changing the numbers on a ruler. You don't get bigger, the measurement just becomes meaningless. So next time you wish for a money rain, remember, if everyone is a billionaire, then a gallon of milk will cost $1 billion.